So I'm taking this video downstairs, not outside, because we bought this for my son for Christmas this winter. But the fact that it stores fairly nice and folds up, I want to show it's all my fishing stuff in between my furnace. And it is very easy to reset up. I'm going to do it. That's one hand there. So I fold it down, and then this safety guard, you kind of bend it over a little bit, and it locks into place there. So pretty easy. I will say there's two different sizes. My son's 15 months. This is a larger of the two. A little difficult for him to get up. However, once we get it outside, he'll be a few months older. I think we will be all right. I'll get some photos and measurements if I have a tape measure down here. However, directions were horrible. It really is easy though. These two panels come in or these two block section panels connect, and they just slide on, and there is a safety screw in the back so they don't slide off there, like a plastic screw. If you put kids' toys together, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The wood grain faces out. That is required to be able to put them on correctly. And then you put this there's a peg with a bolt and a bolt with a screw on the end right there. You see I'm grabbing and spinning it. They are a single size, so one will only fit in the other, and they are capped, so they're not safe. The sharp end of the bolt is capped, so not, and the kid under there playing with it can't mess with it or anything. And then this kind of just pops up, and you feed one through, it stays there for storage. So again, it'll function without that. Just a nice little safety precaution. I'll get some measurements for you guys. Again, I'd probably go with the bigger one. My son's 15 months. It was a little difficult for him to climb up this. I wish there was something to grab on up here and not just the sides. Maybe he just has to play with it and learn a little bit, but pretty nice.